Avantika Sharma, working as an assistant professor in RP IIT campus. Today I am here for delivering the topic about the x is equal to n. Then this x is called the logarithm. X is called the logarithm of n. X is called the logarithm of n to the base a. Here base is a. Means the definition of logarithm is if a raised to the power x is equal to n, then x is called the logarithm of n to the base a. Here base is a. Or we can say this is the exponential form. This is the exponential form of logarithm. This is called the exponential form of logarithm. And if we are to convert this exponential form in the logarithmic form, so this is called the logarithm form. Means if we have an example like 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. As we know, 2 raised to the power 3 is equal to 8. This is our exponential form. And if we are to convert this into the logarithmic form, then this will be written as this form. X is equal to logarithm of n at the base a. Means यहाँ पर हम लिखेंगे x. Here x is, as this is the of the form a raised to the power x equal n. Means here n number is 8 and x is here 3 and base is here 2. So this can be written in the logarithm form like this. Means as x is equal to logarithm of n, so this can be written as x is 3, so 3 is equal to logarithm of n is 8 at the base 2. So this is called the logarithmic form. Okay, so this is the logarithmic form. This is the definition of logarithm, that how can we convert the exponential form in the logarithm form and how can we convert the logarithm form in the exponential form to solve many examples. Okay, so let us start an example. Let us do an example based on this. This is 2 raised to the power 5 is equal to 32. Here we have given this in exponential form and we are to convert it into the logarithmic form. So we will do here, we have seen that here a is 2 and x is 5 and n is 32. Okay, so here we will write it in the logarithmic form, that will be logarithm of n is 32. At the base a is 2 will be equal to the x is 5. So this will be our answer. Okay, so this is the logarithmic topic, and if here we will do the next example, like if we have logarithmic of 8 at the base 2, then we will get 3. This is the statement of the logarithmic form and we are to convert this into the exponential form. तो हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे इसे? यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि a is here 2, क्योंकि हमें ये जो लोगरिथमिक फॉर्म है वो गिवन होगी लोगरिथमिक ऑफ a at the base n is equal to x. तो यहाँ पर n, here n is equal to a, so a raised to the power x is equal to n is the exponential form and we will write this as a means 2 raised to the power x means 3 will be equal to 8. So this is called the exponential form. Okay, so this is the topic of logarithm, in which we have done the definition of logarithm and learned that how can we convert the exponential form in the logarithmic form and logarithmic form into the exponential form, and done 2 examples here. Okay, I hope this video is clear for you, and if you have doubt and query, then please contact me, and please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.